Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a slider field in bit form. Let's begin. First, click on your form name. Here, search for the slider field. Drag and drop the slider field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the slider field settings. The label option allows you to specify the name that will be displayed for the field. Admin label is used for administrative purposes. The default value is the initial value displayed in the field. You can show or hide the default value by clicking this option. You can also set a default starting value for the slider according to your preferences. First, decide if this field is required or not. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. You can also add leading and trailing icons and customize them. You can choose the position of the asterisk symbol for the required field, before or after the label, or on the right or left of the field. Here, set the minimum value for your slider. This value will define the lower limit of your slider's range. And you can set the maximum value of your slider. You can also set the step size for the slider handle in the front end. If you enable this option, the slider field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the slider field will be visible. The disabled option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. You can toggle this option to enable or disable this field according to your needs. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to check the slider field. Here, you can see that the slider field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.